Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can create AliExpress seller account. Okay, so if you are outside of China, okay, you don't live in China and you still want to create AliExpress seller account, then but if you live in China, you can just search for AliExpress seller account on Google, and you want to click here where it says AliExpress seller portal, and here you want to click on join AliExpress. Now for example, if you live outside of China, what you guys need to do, you want to log into your own AliExpress like accounts. Okay, now act like you are going to buy something. Okay, just create an account and then scroll down at the very bottom, and it says here non-Chinese seller. As you can see here guys, where it says collaborate with us. Now when you click here, it says non-Chinese seller, and then you want to click on that, and after that, as you can see, be a part of new digital economy. Now as you can see, this is the advantage of like selling on AliExpress. Like, be ready to sell on AliExpress, but expect that the profit margin is going to be very low, because like AliExpress like focuses more on competitive prices. Like, these still like cheap products. So yeah, it's still going to be profitable, but like if the product that you have is really good quality and in like good price, then people are going to buy it, because like people that really go to AliExpress are different from people that go to eBay or Amazon. Okay, the AliExpress, like most people that are going to buy from AliExpress are from third world countries like Africa, or like you don't like the economy is not that good in their country. So that's the reason why AliExpress focuses more on cheap products. Now you want to click here on join AliExpress, and then you want to follow the steps. As you can see here, registration country, you want to select here your registration country. For example, if you live let's say in Turkey, you can select here Turkey. Now here the email, I'm going to add here the email. Okay, so I'm going to add it right now, and then enter the verification code. Okay, click on send and go to your email, and then get the verification code. Okay, this is the code. Now go back. Okay, so I'm then enter here the verification code, and then set your an account password. So I'm going to I'm going to use this password. Click I have read and agree to the AliExpress server agreement. Then click on register. As you can see, this has already I have already created AliExpress seller account with this email, so I'm going to change it to another email. I'm going to use this email instead. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do right now, and I'm going to use it. Okay, I'm going to resend. I'm going to wait like five seconds, as you can see here, and I'm going to resend the code to the new Gmail, because I already created the seller account with that first Gmail. Okay, so it seems like even this okay, so I'm going to try to okay, this email has already been registered. Please use it to log in. So I'm going to use another email because I really want to show you the process on how this works. Okay, so I'm going to try this one. Okay, so I'm going to add this one. I'm going to click on resend. It seems like even this Gmail is already okay, so I'm going to try this one. Okay, so yeah, this one is not used. Okay, I'm going to click on resend. Okay, I'm going to reload the page. Okay, I'm going to select Turkey, and this is the email. I'm going to send it. All right, now I'm going to get the code here. I'm going to registration codes. All right, now what you guys need to do after you add here the passwords, I'm going to suggest a good password. Okay, I'm going to add this one. Click I have read and agree to the shipping service and agreement. Now in the next page, what you guys need to do now is as you can see here, it says here create account, new local seller. As you can see, policy adjustment. All right, now what you guys need to do here is to select here which company, like if it's a private company, limited liability company, or joint stock company. I'm going to go with private company, and here your company registration name. Now everyone knows that if you want to create a seller account on AliExpress, you will have to have a company, okay, a registration name. As you can see, it asks you have for company registration name. I'm going to add it right now. And now here the company registration address, which is Turkey. I'm going to add here, please, as you can see, please select here like the city. I'm going to select city. Okay, select here the the state, the zip code, the street. Okay, you want to add the street and the street address here. Okay, and here you want to scroll down and you want to add here the registration address. Okay, registered address, fill in with it with the registered address, and here please select again the city. I'm going to select the it's like you are still like you are going to add the address, okay, of the business address. Now here the country number, it's 19. Then you want to add here the number, and then scroll down, and here it says company contact email. So you want to add here your company contact email, and here the company registration number again, and here the company registration files. You want to you want to just scan the papers, like your registration files. You want to scan them and add pictures to them so that you can prove that you actually have a company. After that, you want to click on continue, and in the next page you will say review, and the review takes I would say like few hours to a few days. Maximum is going to be like 2 days or 3 days. Okay, it's not going to take long. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. That would be highly appreciated if you can drop a like, and see you guys in the next one.